Joshua tree next to these jumbo rocks.
I think like El Cap.
What's your experience like?
That's cool. It feels like doable rocks, but it makes you feel cool when you get to climb it.
Imagine falling on that.
That'd be bad.
Yes, going inland. Look, going very in.
Going inland. Entrance to Ryan is rocky.
We arrived at
arrived.
our campsite. It's 20 over there, but we are 19. Well, Max is doing, I don't know, solar panel electricity stuff. I'm just in here and it's hot. We actually left the tent door open for a little bit and then 2 flies went in, and then it reoccurred to me that you're supposed to leave the netted on so that flies literally, let me show you. Like literally, I don't know if you can see the net.
Oh, there's Wi-Fi if you want.
Fly. Anyways, this is
Crazy.
Max's Starlink.
Honestly, that's crazy.
Okay, you have to like give me your password.
Our Wi-Fi today, otherwise it's just SOS. Is it recording? Oh, it's recording. Hello. 2 reasons why we came here. So, one is that this is M's birthday surprise for me.
Originally, Jory initiated the camping trip, and I said, okay, bet, let's go find a campground. And so I wanted to do it this weekend. I found Ryan Campground. This was the only spot left for this 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, and I booked it. And 2 days later, Max goes, I kind of want to go camping. And I'm like, I already booked it. So then I was like, wait, can we go off limits this weekend? And he was like, okay. And then I was like, we could do the following weekend. Now we have 2 weekends of camping.
Yeah, camping. Lots of camping. And I think this kind of ties to the second reason why we're doing so much camping. I want to do like a road trip in 2026. I want a road trip with, hopefully we'll get a Toyota RAV4, so just like we can car camp, have enough room to sleep in. There's a lot of things to prep. So like Starlink, I'm testing out the battery, the Anker battery. I'm testing out the solar panels. Just seeing like, testing out all these things, getting some experience, like how well the Starlink does, how well the solar panels do, how well the battery does. Like, is it enough to suffice for like a road trip? Yeah. So it was very nice.
If it gets remotely far, I'm like not gonna have it.
Hey babe. You sit down. And we're gonna cook tacos. And we're gonna use ground beef and ground pork to do just that. This was a lot of guac, but some tahini.
Do a laser? Ready? Yeah.
All good. Look, so cute.
There's Polaroids.
Cold.
It's cold. Slight setup.
Wait, this is so cute stuff. Sponsored by Jinro.
It's Jinro. Uno.
It's currently 6. Yellow. Oh no.
Oh no.
Why is my drip not working?
Is it really not? 7 a.m. and look at the view behind me. It's cold. It's currently 7 a.m. and we're doing this little morning hike. Here, say hi. We're currently doing this morning hike and look at this rock that yeah, we might hike up or something. Go, go, go.
Say hi.
Morning from Joshua Tree. We are now cooking a little bit of bulldog. Not to get nerdy again, but I will get nerdy again. Basically, I've also set up the solar panels and Starlink again. Starlink because I want to search up where we can find stickers for our Yeti. It's our cute Yeti right here. So far we've had Sequoia. And I also want to test out what the wattage is for during sunrise. I think Anker just doesn't make good solar panels. It's rated for 200 watts, which means it's around 50% efficiency, which is really bad. But that's enough of the nerdy part. And then we have...
We heard coyotes.
Yeah, we heard coyotes. Yeah.
And I got scared.
You got scared. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.